That old smartphone in your drawer? You might think it's just another forgotten relic, buried under a tangle of chargers and mystery keys. But what if I told you it's actually a hidden gem, waiting to be rediscovered? It's more than just clutter. That device is packed with technology that's still incredibly useful, even if it's not your daily driver anymore. Most people see an obsolete gadget, but it's actually a high-definition security camera waiting to be used. Instead of letting it gather dust, you can transform it into something that adds real value to your home. Even an older phone has a surprisingly good camera, reliable Wi-Fi, and enough processing power to run modern security apps, just like those pricey security cameras you see in stores. By repurposing it, you're turning forgotten tech into a vigilant home guardian. It's a smart, eco-friendly way to get more out of what you already own. Think about it. You're not just saving money, you're also reducing electronic waste and giving your old device a second life. Imagine checking your front door for deliveries, no matter where you are, using a device you already own. Or keeping an eye on your pets while you're at work, making sure they're safe and happy. You can even monitor your garage, backyard, or any other spot that needs a little extra security, all for free, using what you already have. This isn't a complicated project, anyone can do it in minutes. No tech expertise required, just a few simple steps and you're set. We'll walk you through the process, showing you exactly how to turn that old phone into a powerful security camera step by step. So grab your old phone, dust it off, and get ready to give it a brand new purpose. You'll be amazed at what it can do. Your DIY security system is just minutes away, and it all starts with that hidden treasure in your junk drawer. Let's gather what you need. No special shopping required. First, your old smartphone, Android or iPhone, as long as it connects to Wi-Fi and the camera works. Next, a charging cable and power adapter. The phone needs to stay plugged in for 24/7 monitoring. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. You'll also need a free security camera app from the App Store. Finally, something to hold the phone steady, a tripod, stand, or even a stack of books. That's it. No fancy gear, just everyday items. With these basics, you're ready to build your own security camera. Simple, affordable, and effective. Let's move on to the setup. Now, let's bring your camera to life with the right app. Search for Security Camera in your App Store. Look for highly rated options like Alfred, Manything, or At Home Camera. Download your chosen app on both your old phone and your current phone. Sign in with the same account on both devices. Set your old phone as the camera, and your current phone as the viewer. The app will guide you through linking the devices. In minutes, you'll have a live video feed from your old phone. No tech skills needed. Just follow the prompts. Your security system's brain is now installed. Next, let's find the perfect spot for your new camera. Where you place your camera matters most. The right placement can make all the difference between catching important activity and missing it entirely. Think of your camera as your eyes when you're not home, so you want to give it the best possible vantage point. Choose a spot with a clear, unobstructed view of your home's main entry points, like the front door, back door, or even the garage. These are the areas most likely to see activity, so covering them is essential for effective monitoring. Use your tripod, a sturdy stand, or get creative with mounting solutions, like suction mounts or wall brackets, to keep your phone steady. Make sure it's plugged in so you don't lose power at a critical moment. Check the live feed on your main phone as you set up. Adjust the angle until you can see the entire area you want to monitor, and look for any blind spots where someone could slip by unnoticed. Take your time to get this right. Before you finish, wipe the lens for a crystal clear picture. Even a little dust or a fingerprint can blur your footage and make it hard to see what's happening. Now decide if you want your camera to be hidden for stealth, or visible as a deterrent. A hidden camera can catch intruders off guard, while a visible one might scare them away before they even try anything. Double check that your phone is secure, powered, and aimed perfectly. A loose mount or unplugged charger could mean missing out on crucial footage. Take a moment to walk around and view the camera's perspective from different angles. Make small adjustments to get the most comprehensive coverage possible. Placement is everything for effective monitoring. With your old phone set up, it's now transformed into a watchful sentry, keeping an eye on your home day and night. It's amazing how a simple device can add a powerful layer of security. Now you're ready to check in on your home from anywhere at any time. Whether you're at work, on vacation, or just in another room, you'll always know what's happening. Let's get you connected to your new security feed. Setting up the app is quick and easy, and soon you'll have instant access to your live camera view. With just a tap, you'll have peace of mind, knowing your home is protected, and you're always in control. Your phone is now your security control center. Open the app on your main phone to view the live feed, anywhere, anytime. Tap your camera to see and hear what's happening at home. Take snapshots, record clips, or even talk through the camera if your app supports it. Motion detection can alert you instantly if something moves. Recorded clips are stored in the cloud for easy review. You're always connected whether you're at work or on vacation. Your old phone is now your window into home security. Let's make your system even smarter with a few pro tips. Now that you've got your basic setup ready, let's take it to the next level with some expert tips to ensure your security feed is always reliable and crystal clear. A few small adjustments can make a huge difference in how well your DIY camera works, so let's dive in. Start by placing your camera in a strategic corner of the room. This gives you the widest possible view, covering more area with a single device. Make sure the lens isn't pointed directly at windows or bright lights, as sunlight or glare can wash out important details and make it harder to spot movement. Next, open your security app and enable motion detection. Adjust the sensitivity slider so it picks up real activity, like someone entering the room, but ignores harmless movements such as shadows or pets. This helps you avoid constant false alarms and only get notified when it really matters. Take advantage of scheduling features in your app. Set alerts to activate only when you're away from home or during specific hours, so you're not bombarded with notifications when you're around. This keeps your feed focused and your phone less cluttered. Remember, your phone will be running for long periods, so keep it well ventilated. Place it near a fan or in a spot with good airflow to prevent overheating, which can cause your camera to shut down unexpectedly or reduce video quality. For the smoothest performance, disable unnecessary notifications and close background apps. This frees up memory and processing power, ensuring your security feed streams without lag or interruptions. Don't forget to set a strong passcode on your old phone. This adds an extra layer of security, protecting your footage and settings from prying eyes or accidental changes. With these tweaks, your DIY security system becomes more robust, reliable, and hassle-free. You'll notice clearer footage, fewer false alarms, and a setup that works seamlessly in the background. Congratulations! You've transformed an old phone into a smart, dependable security camera, without spending extra money or buying new gadgets. Let's take a moment to appreciate what you've accomplished. From setup to fine-tuning, you've created a system that keeps your home safer and gives you peace of mind. Your home is now more secure, and you've given new purpose to your old tech, helping the environment and your wallet. That's smart security, made simple. Enjoy your upgraded peace of mind. In just minutes, you've turned old tech into a powerful home security system. No special skills, no big budget, just resourcefulness and a few taps. Now, you can check on your home from anywhere, anytime. You've saved money and helped the environment by reusing your device. Your phone is now a digital guardian, always on duty. Motion alerts, live feeds, and recorded clips keep you informed and secure. You've bridged the gap between old gadgets and modern needs. Welcome to smart, accessible home security at no extra cost. Your peace of mind is now in your pocket.